Watch me turn my 520 square meter space into a multi-variety crop farm. 4 different types of crops. Tomatoes will be the majority of the crop that will be planting here, because December is coming and there will be more demand for tomatoes. So we'll have okra, we'll have cabbages, and we'll have eggplants. So what we are doing here now is we are trying to get the best to be ready so that we can get our drip irrigation system fitted on them, and then also get our plastic mulch fitted on them. As you can see, we have, you would think that the space is a bit small, but this space can take 1,220 plants. Each row will take 90 plants based on the space that we have, and we have 14 rows, one feet each, with a 2 feet intervals as in walking space in between them for proper movement and maintenance of the plant. And by end of this month, September, you will see this place transform into a multi-purpose vegetable farmhouse.